Today, we will understand what motion and its related parameters are. Motion is of two types. One is kinematics, in which we study the motion of an object without knowing its cause, where, as in dynamics, we study the reason behind the motion, for example, force. Motion is defined as change in position of an object with respect to some observer, whereas if position of object does not change, then it is said to be at rest. Motion is always relative to some frame of reference, as a person in the train is in motion with respect to one standing at the station, but inside the train, he is at rest with respect to someone in the same train. A motion begins with a change in position. Let me understand what is meant by position. It is defined as the location of an object with respect to some reference. Change in position gives us displacement and the path followed by an object to displace from one position to another is called distance. Displacement is also defined as the shortest length between 2 points. In figure, a ball is changed from one to another point. The arrow represents a displacement of ball, but the curved path is actual distance covered by the ball. So displacement is vector quantity, whereas distance is only magnitude. Remember that displacement is always less or equal to the distance. Displacement is always vector quantity, so we are always concerned with the direction of an object where it is displaced. Whereas distance is scalar quantity, so magnitude is only required to explain distance. Change is distance during motion result in speed of an object, or you can say that how fast is distance covered. Whereas change in displacement results in the velocity of an object. Both speed and velocity measures by meter per second, but velocity also requires direction to explain as it is vector quantity. Change in the velocity of a body with time is called acceleration. It is also vector quantity and measured by meter per second square.